Hi, I've got my copy of Home Designer Suite 2019 open, and I drew a box that's kind of about the right size of garage. Oh, that's a little deep. I got 22 feet. And I just drew the boxes, and this is what we currently have, which I understand isn't what you want. Okay, I'm going to hit Shift F6, Shift F6, there we go, and make some changes in it. I don't know precisely what you want, of course, but all I'm going to do is just take this wall, open its dialog box, and you know about this, go to the roof tab, tell it to have a gable instead of a hip, and it does. And here I'm going to make it a gable, and here and isn't that similar to what you want? Two gables, and they're all actually let me rotate this. One simple roof plane. Unless you want to do something else, that's how you would do it in Suite. Now, my dimensions are going to vary, but you can, it's not going to make a lot of difference. Pretty simple and straightforward. Maybe the garage is too wide over here. Let's see what's that. Probably about 20 feet. Anyway, it still works. And that's similar to your image, only I've got it doing this. You've done something different from what I did, and that's why you got a different result. I'm not quite sure. If you want some separation here, well, then it's probably not going to happen in Suite. Anyway, I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.